Good day, students. Today, we want to discuss about Faraday's laws of electrolysis. Faraday discovered two laws of electrolysis. First law of Faraday stated that the mass m of a substance liberated in electrolysis is directly proportional to the quantity of electricity Q which has passed through the electrolyte. M is directly proportional to Q. Faraday's second law states that the masses of different substances liberated or deposited are deposited by the same quantity of electricity are directly proportional to the chemical equivalent of the substances. Okay, now let's see. Faraday discovered two laws of electrolysis. Faraday's first law states that the mass m of a substance liberated in electrolysis is directly proportional to the quantity of electricity Q which has passed through the electrolyte. M is directly proportional to Q. Faraday's second law states that the masses of different substances deposited or liberated by the same quantity of electricity are directly proportional to the chemical equivalents of the substances. In symbol, the first law states that M is directly proportional to Q, where Q is the quantity of electricity in coulombs. Since Q is equal to IT, you change your Q and put IT there, where I is equals to current in ampere, T time in seconds, hence M is ZIT. Remove proportionality, put your constant. If Z equals constant of proportionality known as electrochemical equivalent of the substance. Now let's go to electrochemical equivalent. You can make your Z, which is electrochemical equivalent, equals to M over IT, which is M over Q. Okay, electrochemical equivalent of a substance is the mass of that substance deposited by 1 coulomb of electricity. You can see it. You can use formula to define it. Are you getting me? In process of electrolysis. Electrochemical equivalent is the mass of substance deposited by what? Of that substance by 1 coulomb of electricity. You can see it here. Electrochemical equivalent of a substance is the mass of that substance deposited by 1 coulomb of electricity in a process of electrolysis. Unit of electrochemical equivalent is gram per coulomb. How do we get that? It's calculated in gram, and Z mass is in gram, Q is in coulomb, gram per coulomb. It can also be written like this, gram per coulomb. Let's see. Find the mass of copper deposited if current of 0.53 amp pass through it. Time 30 minutes, which is 30 times 60, which is 1800 seconds. You have to convert it to seconds. Electrochemical equivalent Z equals to 3.3 times 10 to the power minus 4 gram per coulomb. Now write the formula. Mass directly proportional to Q. You know that M equal to ZIT. You are looking for mass. Mass now, you have Z to be 3.3 times 10 to the power minus 4. What's current? 0.53. What's time? 1800. When you press your calculator, you have 0.315 gram. This is the end of our class. Please subscribe to my channel so that I can have access to the latest video. Have a wonderful day.